Hello friends, welcome to my channel GoDigit. Today in this video we will learn about one of the new feature which is introduced in the VS Code recently under the GitHub Copilot, which is called agent option. So if you remember a few weeks back, I have created a video regarding this C-Line app, where using this app we can add our subscribed AI models using an API key, and then it will help us to write the code and any sort of development which we are doing in any particular language. Okay, now but the thing is that now this actually not require anymore because it is now a part of built-in VS Code itself. So you don't need any particular third-party app in which you need to install in the VS Code. So let's get started with that. First of all, the very first thing is that you need to log into your VS Code account using your GitHub account, right? So once you log in with your GitHub account in the VS Code, as you know that GitHub Copilot is now have a free plan available as well, which if I click, put my cursor here, you can see that Copilot free plan usage I'm using, right? So it's not something like that you need to pay anything extra if you want to do for learn development, if you want to learn AI models, how they work. But yes, one thing I would like to say that if you are using it for your organization level, then please go for the subscription only, because free plan is not for you, only for the students, only for the learners who want to learn these things, then only you can try. Otherwise, for any official work, please go for the pro models. Okay, so afterwards, now when you log in with your account and every stuff is that, as you can see that I've opened up a sample AL project. In order to open the GitHub Copilot chat window, you can press Ctrl Alt I, or basically, as you can see from here, currently it's not a new window because it's available from quite some time now. But so far it has these options called ask and edit. But now the third option, agent, is also introduced. In case this option is not showing up, then most probably you need to check your settings. You need to go to open user settings and type here agent, and you will see that this option is not enabled. So for example, if I make it false, then you will see agent option is gone. If I make it enable, agent option is available for me, right? So this is one thing. Second thing is that sometimes this button is also not showing up from where you can select the different models out there. Okay, in case it is not there, then most probably maybe you have not logged in with your account, or GitHub Copilot chat app is actually not installed. So please install them, log in with your account, and then reload the VS Code, and then this option will be available for you. Now just like in the last video of C-Line, we have learned the use case of agent. Like if I select this agent, then I can just give a natural language command that please create a AL extension for me which will have these objects, or I can provide a readme.md file which have the list of instructions which this agent needs to do. So you just have to give a single line statement and it will start performing everything for you. It is like an individual, step by step it will perform everything. For example, if an app is not installed, it will install that app in order to write a Python program, in order to create an app, or anything like that. So it's like a complete autonomous agent which will do all sort of stuff with your just one natural language command or a clear written instructions document. Okay, but as you can see from here, currently it has by default the support of Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o models. 3.5 Sonnet is not a new model anymore because Anthropic has already released the new models. And if you want to use your subscribe model which you have already subscribed to and you are paying a price for it, and you want to use that model and not this one, then you have this option called manage model or and add more models. You can click on this, or like from here itself, like manage models, you can select Anthropic, enter Anthropic API key. So it's not like Anthropic only, you can select different models. Like, I'm sorry, let me click on manage models again. So you have this option of Anthropic, Azure, Gemini, OpenAI, Olama, OpenRouter, right? I have the subscription of Anthropic API key, so I'll press it up, press enter, and you can see that different models are now showing up. Apart from Claude 3.5 Sonnet, I have this Claude 3.737 Sonnet, which is the latest one. So let me select, click on OK, and now this model is also registered successfully. And now if you see here, I have new model available which I can use to use it and to go with the latest features, because this model is not new anymore and the training cutoff date is, I think, of last year. So any new instructions, or because technology is evolving day by day, then this might not be very helpful, but this one. Okay, so in the same way, you can always click on manage models and add your respective models also. So this is a quite good feature which now you can do every sort of stuff through your VS Code window itself. So I'm not sharing a proper use case like let's write a program, or I'm not passing any sort of instructions because I've already done so in the past. So I just wanted to share with you this information. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.